It is a new week. Stop. Don't trade today until you see this analysis. Aboiji 001 is here. Let's see what the market has for us. Let me break the market down and let's see what the market has for us. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Whatever the time zone you are turning in from, you already know what we are doing here. You already know what we are doing here. We focus on trading and we focus on analysis every day. Today is Monday. Happy New Week to all my subscribers and to all the traders. May this week be profitable and successful in our trading journey in any other skills we are doing. To all my subscribers, I really appreciate. To all of you, my video just pop up into your screen. Kindly don't, kindly don't forget to subscribe, share, like, comment, and don't forget to turn on the notification button so that you will be the first person to learn from the next analysis we are dropping, because we drop our daily analysis every day. So before we see, let's see what we have in the chat. We already know this is weekly, and from Monday, we started from monthly time frame. And before we started from our analysis, we started from what? We started from Forex factory. Maybe there is high impact news. As I used to say, high impact news does not create another trend. It just continue give us volatility to continue the what? To continue the trend, the recent trend. It boosts up the recent trend. Maybe instead of the market to be slowing, but if the news come out, we just pump up the either the bullish or in the or the bearish. So before we enter the trade, sorry for that. As I used to say, 15 minutes before the trade, we gas move away. 15 minutes after the trade or 30 minutes after the trade, we gas join the trade back if we see any liquidity threats. So this is what we have. There's no high impact news. See this, there's no high impact news. Only what we just have now is just to move into the chart and see maybe to see maybe there's what there's what there's market there's opportunity for us. This is what we are having. And from if I see XAGUSD, this is what XAGUSD is giving us, and this is our key level. This is our what? This is our mm, this is our turning point key level. You can see the turning point key level. This is our major high. This is the high market gave us, and the turning point key level is our major what external to key level, and these are what internal turning points. You can see these are multiple rejection key level. These are multiple. This is the first touch, second touch, third touch. So if we are expecting the market to come to this place, to this key level before we can see a whole continuation for bullish, or the market will come to this multiple rejection. It's either the two. If does not hold it, if this does not hold this, we send it back. So this is this is all what we are waiting for in the market. So let's just continue the trend. Let's see what the trend has for us. This is what the monthly time frame is giving us. Since we have plotted the monthly time frame, and this is the general overview of the market is giving us what bullish, and this is downtrend is what correctional movement. Let's move to weekly time frame. This is weekly time frame. All what we just have on weekly time frame, we just supported our key level. This is our key level. You can see this is our last high turning point key level, and this is our key level again that give us break of structure. You can see it's also a key level also for us. This is our what key level again. You can see this is our key level, and we are having another key level here, and this is our another key level here. This is the key level that give us this higher high, and this is the key level that give us this higher high. So markets does not respect this break of structure, and this is the last break of structure. So let's be respecting this as the last break of structure market is coming back for. You can see. And because if you said if you look at the market, this is the high because there's mostly key level over there. So let's be expecting our market here. So this is what the weekly is giving us, since we have plotted our key level on weekly time frame also, and we have seen what the weekly time frame is giving us. It's giving us very what it's giving us that trend. It's giving us the downtrend. So let's move to daily time frame. This is our daily time frame, and this is what we are seeing. This is our swing high. On daily time frame, we plotted on our swing high and our swing low. This is our swing low now, because this is the last break of structure we are expecting the market to come to. And all what the market is giving us, this is the last break of structure. And you can see what the market is doing. These are what these are what internal these are our internal liquidity. Market is going to sweat. So this is our demand. Let's be expecting the market from this demand. If you are expecting a push up, this is our demand. The reason why I used to plotted this monthly key level is because of the time. Seriously, that's why I used to plot it. I used to plot it during the weekend. If I'm doing my what, if I'm doing my back testing, seeing what's happened during the last week. So this is what we are having. This is the demand zone. So let's be expecting the market for this demand. This is the demand zone. So let's see what the market has for us now. On daily time frame, this is the last break. This is the internal break of structure market gave us. This is the internal break of structure. And this is what this is the demand zone that give us the internal break of structure. So this is demand zone here. These are minor demand zone. You can see it is a minor demand zone. It's not the major demand zone, it is a minor demand zone. And you can see the market has broken this minor demand zone. So definitely this will turn as breaker block. So on daily time frame, I'm still expecting that trend. And this is the what this is the support that give us this is supply that give us this market, and it has turned towards resistance. It has turned to resistance. It has turned to resistance. You can see. This is what we are just seeing now. So all these ones are what are liquidity. This has turned to what support also. You can see this has turned to support, and this support is going to break. Its market has touched it again. So let's be expecting another push down for this support. Seriously. But this support serve as what liquidity for me. Market is going to sweat. Seriously. This support serve as liquidity, market is going to sweat because it is internal. It is internal, and the market is in between what? Is in between the swing high, and this is the swing high, and this is the swing low. These are major demand. So let's be expecting another downtrend. So let's move to for this since we have plotted our swing high and our swing low. So let's move to 4 hours time frame. This is 4 hour time frame. This is our analysis time frame. You can see this is the market. This is the supply that's pushed this market down, has gone towards resistance. And this is the last break of structure. This you can see this 4 hours daily break of structure is aligned with what 4 hour break of structure. And this is the what this is the major this is the minor demand that break the markets. Definitely we are expecting the market from here to continue the downtrend. And if we are continuing the downtrend, you can see this is a key level also, because weekly key level is also there. So definitely is an high is an what is an opportunity for us to take the downtrend again. This is an opportunity for us to take the downtrend seriously. So I'm still expecting another downtrend to this key level. This you can see this key level. This is the first key level that market is. You can see this is the way the market is now. So I'm expecting another sell to this key level. To this key level. to this key level. So this is what I'm expecting. So let's move to 1 hour time frame, which is our analysis time frame, to redefine the what? To redefine the what 4 hours gave us. Hey, what happened to my network now? Hey, no service, no service. So I'm sorry. Let me just do my technical issue I have now. I'm sorry, I find a solution to the technical issue I have. So this is what go on Sleeper is giving us. So let's us be expecting sell. Seriously. The sell is valid though. Seriously. The sell is valid. I'm still expecting the sell. And if you can see on 1 hour time frame we have break of structure here. Internal break of structure, and this is the last break of structure. So definitely let's be expecting the sell. Let's be expecting the sell. But since we are having but I'm still expecting the sell because we are in what? We are in downtrend. But market will first reacted on this But market will first reacted on this before continuing downtrend. Seriously, market, because this is a break of structure, market will first reacted on it but I'm still expecting what? I'm still expecting downtrend. This is what I'm seeing today, and on 1 hour time frame, this is what 1 hour time frame is giving us. So let's move to 15-minute time frame. You can see opportunity to trade on 15-minute time frame. There is no opportunity to trade on 15-minute time frame unless let's be expecting another market here. Let's be expecting the market to come and feed this FEG before we can see this downtrend. Let's be expecting the market to feed this FEG for us. So this is FEG here on 1 hour time frame. So let's be expecting the market to come and feed this FEG before we can see a downtrend. Seriously. Before we can see a downtrend. And this downtrend is there's key level here. There's 4 hours key level over here. So let's be expecting the market over here. So on 4 hours time frame, you can see the FEG safe. And let's be expecting the FEG here. So our stop loss will be here. So this is what I'm seeing. And let's see if the market can spark down before we can see a wish before we can see the uptrend. Seriously, let's first buy before we can see a downtrend. Seriously, this is what is going to happen. Let's be expecting the market to come back. If the market come back here, definitely we will buy, and what we will sell. This is what I'm seeing on Sliver. This is what the Sliver has for us. So let's move to gold. Let's see what gold has for us. Seriously. Let's see what gold has for us. For monthly time frame on gold, this is what the market is giving us. Market is giving us back of uptrend, but this is correctional movement, and this is the key level we are expecting. You can see the FEG here. Image buyers are sitting here. Buyers are waiting for the market on this key level, and this is our first key level here. The market broken is this is our second key level here, and this is our third key level here. So let's see. This is what we are expecting the market. So let's move to what? Let's move to so let's all move to weekly time frame. This is our weekly time frame on good. Sorry, this is our weekly time frame. This this is the body that give us that high. This high, and this is the low. Yeah, yeah. This is the low. Yes, you can see the low, and this is what another key level here, and this is our other key level here. But this key level has already been retested. This is our key level here. So you can see we no need to plot this one as skill level again, because market has tested it. You can see market has tested it. So this is what we are having now. This is our last break of structure here. This break of does also will serve as liquidity. So this is what we are expecting. Let's be expecting what the market, see what the market is going to do. So since we have plotted our key level on weekly time frame, so we are still expecting the market. This one may not hold. So seriously, this one may not hold because what there's FEG here, there's what FEG here. So definitely we are expecting the market to come here. We are expecting the market to come here. So if this does not hold, it will retest and come back here. So let's move to daily time frame. Let's go and plotted what is happening for the on daily time frame. These are what these are our swing high now. These are our swing low, sorry, and these are our swing high highs. You can see what the market is doing, but this is our demand. But I'm sure that the market is going to is not this demand is not going to hold. It's going to sell. It's going to serve as liquidity. This demand is going to serve as liquidity, and we are having what we are having demand here. All this one is still serve as liquidity for me because market has not entered this demand. So let's see what the market is doing now. This is what the market is doing. You can see this is the resistance, this is the support, this is the support. So this is the support the market is going to get back to. I don't know what happened to this. And you can see what the market is giving us. This is also a liquidity. Serving as liquidity. I don't know what happened to this network. Oh. Eh, So they say I'm coming. So welcome back. I really need help. Oh. I will not lie for you. I really need help. Oh. It's only my net. It's only my phone that is doing so much that day. I'm using my phone to connect. To connect to the system. So I mean, so I'm not. I'm still finding my edge in this trading. In this financial market. I'm still finding my edge. You understand? There's my capital that I used to fund. I used to fund for 20,000 naira, which 20,000 naira, if I can convert it to Nigeria to dollar, is $14. So I used to fund it every month. So if I lose for a month, the second month I will not fund it. I will use that opportunity to find capital to push the following month. So this is what is happening. This is what I'm going through, and my phone is not too strong. So I really need the help seriously. So this is what I'm having on good. This is what the good is giving us. This is what the good is giving us. I'm still this is my network is so this is what the good is giving us, and this is our support. For me, oh, it is our support. This is our swing high and this is our swing low. This is the major demand. So let's move to 4 hours time frame. Let's see what 4 hours is giving us. This is the vibe of 4 hours that is giving us, and you can see this resistance market is in this resistance, but this is the last break of structure here. You can see the internal break of structure, and if you see here, we are having resistance over here, so because we have multiple rejection, but this our supply for me. This our supply for me. So this our supply for me. This is a supply for me. So I'm still expecting that trend though. Seriously, I'm still expecting that trend because I'm still expecting the market to mitigate this demand zone before anything. Before anything. So because I'm expecting the market to come to this monthly key level. So this is what the market is giving us. This is the on 4 hour time frame. We still have another break of structure. This is the recent break of structure we still have on 4 hour time frame. all what this is what we are having now. But as for me, I'm still having this is a liquidity swept here. This is a liquidity swept here. This is a liquidity swept here. You can see the liquidity swept, market swept it, and this, and we are still having FEG. But this is what my daily, this is what 4 hour time frame is giving us. But we still have FEG here. This is an FEG. So let's move to 1 hour time frame to redefine this 4 hours opportunity. This is 1 hour time frame. This is 1 hour time frame. And all what 1 hour time frame is giving us, this is an opportunity for us. This is the last break of structure on 1 hour time frame. This is the last break of structure on 1 hour time frame. You can see the last break of structure on 1 hour time frame. Definitely, this FEG was is still valid for us. Let's be expecting the market to close this FEG. And we still have opportunity because this is an opportunity for us. This is an opportunity. This is an FEG on 1 hour time on what on 1 hour time frame. This is an FEG on 1 hour time frame. FEG on 1 hour time frame. So let's see if this FEG is going to be respected. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. You are seeing what we are having. We are buying before we can sell. So let's be expecting another what? Let's be expecting markets because this is a liquidity sweat. So this liquidity sweat may push the market down. After pushing the market down, it's come to the FEG is going to push it up. Or this support, this let's make clean this support sales. Let's make clean it. Let's make clean it. It's not, let's make clean it. So this is what the market is giving us. I'm still expecting what liquidity market should shred this liquidity down here. So let's be expecting the market to come to this FEG, to this FEG, so we can buy it. So this on 1 hour time frame, this is the FEG we are buying before we can sell, and this is where the FEG we are selling. But if we say we should be selling in this FEG, our stop loss is going to be large. You know that our stop loss is going to be large because we don't want to be the victim of the liquidity. Because this is an order block for me on 1 hour time frame because this is the break of structure. You can see this is this is what this is change of character. On 1 hour time frame, this is change of character. This is break of structure. Market came back to it. This is another break of structure, and this is what this is another other blocks. This may serve as liquidity. So let's just be patient. Let's just be patient. Seriously, let's just be patient. So let's just be expecting the buy before we can sell. I'm still expecting the buy from here. So this is what the 1 hour is giving us. We are buying before we can sell. This is where we are selling. We are still. I'm still selling the market because monthly time frame is giving us the vibe of what they said because there's FEG here. You can see the FEG over here. There is FEG here. All these ones are key level. That's why it's rotating. There is FEG marketing to feed this FEG. So on daily time frame, you can see there's FEG. All these ones serve as what liquidity. All this one will soon serve as liquidity marketing to what to trade. So this is what I'm seeing on what this is what I'm seeing. On 4 hour time frame, you can say this is a liquidity because does not this is what this is break of structure. You can see with full body candle, but if we said we should use Fibonacci retracement from this to this, So this is also 50%. You can see this is also 50%. Market may retrace from this 50% zone. So let's just be patient. Let's just be patient. So I'm buying before I can sell. This may serve as liquidity again. This will serve as liquidity again. Seriously. This will serve as liquidity again, market need to sweat before we can say that, because all these ones are internal liquidity, they are not external. The external ones are the what are the swing high. You can see this is our external liquidity. This is our external liquidity down here. You can see the market is in between the range. It's in between the range. So let's just wait. We are buying before we can sell the market. This is what I'm saying on gold also. So let's just be focused. Let me call the coordinate of this gold and silver out seriously. So this is our coordinate. I need to pause the video because I don't want the time to long. So these are our coordinates on what? On gold. This is the gold. And these are our coordinates for sorry. And these are our coordinates on what? On silver also. These are our coordinates on silver also. If you want to take the trade. So kindly, this is where the opportunity is. So let's move to US30. Let's see what the opportunity US30 is giving us. Let's see the vibes. This is US30. This is for monthly time frame. For those of you that is trading US30 means 30 company, 30 USD company that they merge together. So that's why they are calling them US30. They are stock are together. So if you are buying in US30, you are buying in that company. You are buying stock in that company also. If you are selling in US30, you are selling from in that company stock also. So see, this is what we are having. You can see this is a uptrend on what on monthly time frame. The general value of uptrend is and these are what you can see. These are another key level turning point on monthly time frame now. Monthly level, you can see these are. So this is what the market is giving us. You can see this is survival. This is what this is an uptrend market. So let's move to weekly time frame. Let's see what the weekly is giving us. This is the weekly key level. This is the first key level we are having here. You can see the key level. And this is the second key level here. So these are the key level we are having now. You can see on weekly time frame, market gave us what break of structure. This is the break of structure market gave us. You can see the value break of structure here. This is the break of structure we are having now. So let's move to daily time frame. We don't need to do anything. These are key level. These are my key level here. You can say turning point key level and what turning point key level. This is why the market is turning up. So these are key levels. So the key level is not too much on weekly time frame. So let's move to daily time frame. These are swing high here, and these are swing low here over here. So I don't need anything. So you can see market is in between the swing high and the swing low. All this one will serve as liquidity for me. I'm saying it. All this one will serve as liquidity for me. All this one will serve as liquidity trend line for me. And this is the demand zone. We are expecting the market to push it up again. And this demand zone is very strong because multi time frame is also there also. So this is what we are having. The demand zone is here. On daily time frame, this is our demand zone. And this is what the market is having for us. So let's move to 4 hour time frame. This is 4 hour time frame. These are the trend we are having on 4 hour time frame. You can see, but this trend they serve as liquidity before me because the market does not retrace 50% before continue the uptrend. You can see it does not retrace 50%. If the market retraces 50%, then definitely we are saying that the market is valid, but market does not retrace at 50%. This is what this is break of structure. This is break of structure. This is another break of structure here, and this may serve as what break of structure also. You can see where the market come to on 4 hour time frame. Market came to this bay, to this place. This will serve as what? This will serve as opportunity. This will serve as what? Resistance, support. Seriously, this will serve as support key level also. So let's just see what the market is doing for me. This is supply here. This is the supply over here. This is the supply over there. So let's see what this supply is trying to do. We don't need to rush the market. We just have to be patient. This is what the market is doing now, and this is not a retracement. This is not 50% retracement. If you use the Fibonacci retracement from here to here, you can see it's not a retracement, and to here also, this is not retracement also. To here, this is our high. This is our last higher market gave us before. Market does not retrace. Definitely, market is in between. Market is in between the what this swing high and the swing low. All these ones serve as liquidity, but this is what we are doing. If we can sell, we are seeing what a change of character here, because this is a supply zone, and we are seeing a change of character here. Because as for me, this is serve as liquidity self. This one serve as liquidity, or this one serve as liquidity, but we can say this is a market structure shift. This is a market structure shift, or change, or we can say change of character, but the change of character is not far because it does not reach the 50%. Let's move to 4 hour. Let's move to 1 hour. This is 1 hour time frame to redefine this entry. This is 1 hour time frame. If we said we should redefine to this 1 hour time frame, this is a liquidity sweep. This is chain market structure shift, and this will be a change of character on 1 hour time frame. This will be a change of character on 1 hour time frame. But all what we just have to do is just to be patient, because this market, this stock, because this is a stock market, seriously. Because 30, as I said, there's only 30 companies that are pushing this market, but I'm still expecting a downtrend here. Let's be expecting a downtrend before. This is a downtrend market. Let's move to 15-minute time frame. Let's see what the market is giving us on 15-minute time frame. This is 15-minute time frame. We can say liquidity trade. We can say what? Because we can say change of character here. So let's see if we can see a what? A downtrend again. From here to this, because this is a key level, so this is a resistance key level. So let's see to this FEG. Let's see if the market can close there. So let's see what this FEG is trying to do. This is what I'm seeing in the market. This is what I'm seeing in the market on 4 hour time frame. This is what I'm seeing in the market. Seriously. Let's see if the market can close this to this FEG and see what this FEG is going to decide. But I'm still expecting what? A downtrend. A downtrend. I'm still expecting a downtrend. But there is what? There's monthly time frame over here itself. There's monthly time frame over here. If we use our Fibonacci retracement, let's see. So this monthly time frame itself is not a 50%. So let's just see if we can see a downtrend. I'm still expecting a downtrend from here, from this key level also. So I'm expecting the market to mitigate that, to mitigate this supply zone again before I can see which downtrend. because on 15-minute time frame, this is what we are seeing on 15-minute time frame. This is break of structure. On 15-minute time frame, this is break of structure, and this is what we are seeing here. And let's just say we are just, if we want to take this trade, but the best opportunity is here. So we are selling the market from this, so from this one to this FEG. Let's see. So after then, let's see what that FEG is going to decide for us. So this is what I'm seeing in the market. This is what the market gave us. So let's just be patient. Let's just be patient and see what. Let me write out the coordinates for you. Let me write out the coordinates for you. Let me write out. I'm coming. For some, they will say, what's the meaning of this stop trade? Stop trade. The stop trade is also a mean stop loss. So I just changed the word, because we are the one that is training. We are the one that is what that is stopping the trade from the loss. That's why I say stop trade. So instead of using stop loss, it is stop trade also. Our entry price is there. Copy. No, this is our entry price. Paste. And so for those of you that is copying the trade, so let's see our stop trade. This is where we are stopping our trade now. Let's see our take profit. Copy. So this is what we are seeing in the trade. So this is what the opportunity is giving us. You can see this is the opportunity market is giving us. So we are just selling. We are selling before we can say we are buying. So this is what we are having in the trade. So let's move to UJ. Let's see what UJ has for us. Let me copy this opportunity again. Mhm. Let's move to UJ. This is what UJ is having for us. For monthly time frame, this is what I'm seeing for monthly time frame. As for me, this is our key level here, because this is a support to resistance. This is the first. This is support. This is the resistance. Our key level is either support to resistance, multiple rejection, and turning point. So this on daily time frame, on weekly time frame, I use turning point. I use turning point on weekly time frame, but on monthly time frame I use multiple rejection, support to resistance. You can see this is what support to resistance. That's our key level. You can see this is support to resistance. This is our key level also. This is our what multiple rejection key level 1, 2, 3. You can see, and this is what this is a support. You can see this support to resistance here. These are key level here. You can see resistance because before market broken it, and I'm still expecting the market to come back before I can see a huge shot, because this way I'm expecting the private is market touch it here, it's going to sell it down. But let's see weekly time frame. Let's see what the weekly time frame is giving us. On weekly time frame, you can see this is the last break of structure, and this is our turning point here. These are turning points here. But let's use these are multiple rejection key level. You can see these are multiple rejection key level here. I'm using this as what multiple rejection key level, and these are our turning point key level here. So let's see what the market is trying to do here. So this you can see this is a what this is an opportunity for us. This is an monthly key level here. So let's see if the market is coming back here before we can see which uptrend. So this is what I'm seeing. Let's move to weekly time frame. Let's daily time frame, sorry. Daily time frame, what do we have on daily time frame? This is our last break of structure on daily time frame. Market is in uptrend again. And market is giving us break of structure. Yes, you can see the break of structure. And this is what the market is giving us. As for me, this will serve as liquidity. But as for me, all this one will serve as liquidity. The reason why I said they will serve as liquidity because we still have FEG here, and there's monthly there's monthly key level over there. So this is what I'm seeing. This is what I'm seeing. Mm, this is what I'm seeing. This is what I'm seeing here. Mm, so this is what I'm seeing. This is what I'm seeing here. I'm seeing break of structure here, and I'm seeing liquidity over here. And this is the swing. This is what the daily time frame is giving us. This is the swing high, and this is the swing low. This is the swing low, but this swing low is going to serve as liquidity because we are still having FEG. You can see we are still having FEG. So this is what the market is doing. So I'm still expecting the market to come down. Let's see where we can buy. Let's see where we can sell the market. This is the supply zone market gave us. This is supply zone market gave us, and this is the last break of structure on daily time frame. This is the last break of structure, and this break of structure. This is change of character. So this is what we are having. So let's move to 4 hour time frame to see the opportunity we have for 4 hour time frame. This is 4 hour time frame. You see this opportunity. This is what the market is giving us for 4 hour time frame. On 4 hour time frame, there's FEG here. There's FEG here, and all this one will serve as was liquidity for me. All this one serve as liquidity for me. They serve as liquidity. I'm having said over. We are expecting said from here. This is where I'm selling the market. So let us be expecting the sell from here. All this one will serve as our liquidity also. All this one serve as our liquidity. So I'm expecting the sell from this FEG. This one will serve as our liquidity, and this is what I'm seeing on 4-hour time frame. Let's move to 1-hour time frame. To continue this 1-hour time frame is just to buy the market. This is what we can do to buy the market. But we guys be patient on this market, seriously. We guys be patient on this market because this is the break of structure we are having, and this is the last break of structure we are having. So this is what the market is giving. Market is giving us the vibe of what the uptrend itself. Let's see where this uptrend is going to stop before we can say we are selling. So this is the high. This is the break of structure, and this is what this is a liquidity here. And this is an opportunity for us here. So let's see if this market, this FEG is going to push the market. And we are having daily time frame key level over here. So let's see if it's going to push the market up. Let's see what this daily time frame key level is going to do. Maybe it's going to push the market up because this is a key level, this is a key level here. So let's see what the market is having for us here. So I'm still expecting the buy before we can say the market. This is what I'm seeing on what on GU. Let's move to EU. Let's see what EU is having for us. Let's see what EU is having for us. For multi time frame, these are multiple. You can see this is our support to what to resistance, and these are multiple rejection also. And this, as for me, this is a multiple rejection. You side it. You can see this is a multiple rejection here. So I'm still expecting the market to come back. Yeah. So let's move to weekly time frame. Let's see what weekly time frame is giving us. This is weekly time frame. These are what these are key level here. You can see these are key level. These are key level also here. So let's see what the market is having for us. Let's see what the market is having for us. This is what we are having, and we are having what? We are having monthly, we are having monthly key level over here. So let's see. Let's move to daily time frame. These are daily time frame, these are our swing high here. These are our swing low here. These are break of structure here. And this is what the market is giving us seriously. We guys be patient. These are our swing high because market has already liquidity has already swept here. You can see liquidities has already been swept over here. This has turned to our support here. And this is what this this is what this change of character for me. This is break of structure to down, and this is what change of character. I'm still expecting the market to come down before I can see a huge uptrend. So this is what we are having here. This is break of structure. This is the break of structure here. This is break of structure here. This is what? This is supply zone over here. And this is what we are having here. Let's move to 4 hour time frame. Let's see what 4 hours is giving us. This is the 5 or 4 hour time frame. So this is what 4 hours is giving us here. So all this one will serve as liquidity. So let's see the opportunity the market is trying to give us. So we are selling the market from here. And this, on 4 hour time frame, this serves as breaker block, and breaker block is only used once. Seriously, that is what was giving me back to this. Or this is normally used once. Seriously. So let's see if we can see FEG. There's no FEG up. So market gas come back here before we can see a huge uptrend. And before we can see all that uptrend, this is where we are buying again because there's what there is liquidity down here. And we are buying from this supply again. So let's see where we can see the sell. Let's be expecting the market to come to this supply before we can sell in the market. And let's just continue the buy. This is where we are buying on 4 hour time frame. This is the last break of structure. These are what? These are minor demand. And this is what this break of block. This is what break of structure. And this is what we are having. And this is what we are having. Let's move to 1 hour time frame. Let's see what 1 hour time frame is giving us. This is what 1 hour time frame is giving us. The last break of structure. And let's just wait if the market can come back to this. And this will serve as our support, as our liquidity here. We are having liquidity of also on 1 hour time frame. You can see the liquidity. So let's just be patient and see what the market has for. So we are buying. Let's see what let's see what we are buying. So we are buying from here. Let's see what we are let's see what we are having here. Because on 4 hour time frame, this is the break of structure here. And this is not very this is our liquidity set. Seriously, but let's see if this demand can just on 1 hour time frame. Let's see what 1 hour time frame is giving us. This is 1 hour time frame, but this is giving us break of structure here. You can see this is the big on 1 hour time frame market is giving us break of structure here. Mm. So this is what we are having. Let's buy. We are buying the market from here. This liquidity here. So let's be expecting the buy from this opportunity on 1 hour time frame. Let's move to 15 minute time frame. Let's see what 15 minute time frame is giving us. This is 15 minute time frame. So let's see what the market is giving us. But we are buying the market from here because this 1 hour time frame does not give us. We are buying the market from here. This is where we are buying the markets. Let's just be patient before we can see the opportunity. This is the opportunity 1 hour give us, so we are buying here. So let's see what UJ has for us. This is UJ for monthly time frame. These are the what we are having on monthly time frame. These are our key level here. These are our key level also here. These are our key level, our key level. Let's move to weekly time frame. Let's see what weekly time frame is giving us. This is the last break of structure weekly time frame is giving us. And I'm having the swing high. This is the what? This is the key level here. You can see market. This is the key level here also, and this is the key level here also. So let's see what the market is trying to give us. So let's move to daily time frame. What do we do on daily time frame? Only just our swing high and our swing low. This is our swing high, and this is our swing low. And this is what we are having. We are having liquidity here. So this is the demand zone. As for me, this is the demand zone. We are expecting the market to come and buy again. So this is what I'm expecting inside the market. So this is the supply zone. So this supply has to market may sweep the touch this this monthly key level before we can see a downtrend. But let's move to 4 hour time frame if you can see opportunity on 4 hour time frame. There is no opportunity on 4 hour time frame yet. You can see what the market is giving us. This is a liquidity. Market is just giving us a liquidity. So I'm still expecting the sell from this key level. Let's market touch this key level before we can see a sell. So before we can see a buy, I'm buying from here, and this will serve as what? All this one serve as liquidity for me. All this one serve as liquidity for me. So let's see if if the market is coming to this key level. You can see this is monthly key level. There is daily key level also, and this is weekly key level. This is monthly key level, and you can see where the market is. So let's see if the market can buy from here again. So this is what we are having. Let's move to 4 hour time frame. This is what 4 hour time frame is giving us. So let's just wait on this key level before we can buy the market. And all these ones serve as liquidity. There is liquidity up, there is liquidity down. So let's see where the market is heading to before we can sell. We are buying or we are selling. So if the market sweep this liquidity up, definitely we are selling. If it come back down here, definitely we are buying the market. So this is what market is giving us. So we guys be patient on what on US because the strength of US is not, and the news that is happening now. Trump is trying to have peace deal with Iran. So investor are moving away from the USA. So let's see what the market is trying to do now. Let's move to GU. Let's see what GU is having for us. For monthly time frame, this is the key level mark. This is the key level. You can see the key level, multiple rejection key level here. This is the turning point key level market is here now. You can see the market is trying to push the market down. So this is our 20-point key level here. If market is trying to push down, it's coming to this key level. So let's move to weekly time frame. This is weekly time frame. This is what we have on weekly time frame. This is our last break of structure on weekly time frame. You can see we are in uptrend. Break of structure. And this is our swing. And these are what key level here. These are key level here also. And these are key level here also. You can see all our key level. This is what we are having now. And daily time frame, let's move to daily time frame. This is what we have on daily time frame. This is our swing high, and this is our swing low. You can see what the market is doing. Market is in between the swing high and the swing low. And this is what we are having. We are having our day. This is our major demand here. Definitely, we are buying. The market is in uptrend, but we are buying from the demand. So we guys be patient. All this what market is giving us, is a trend line liquidity. So that we won't be the victim of the market. So we guys know that this is a liquidity zone. Market is coming to sweat before anything. These are the liquidity zone. So let's be expecting a downtrend. We are expecting a downtrend market. So let's see what we are having on 4-hour time frame. This is 4-hour time frame. This is the last break of structure on 4-hour time frame. This is the internal break of structure on 4-hour time frame. And this is change of character on 4-hour time frame. And this is the zone. This is the zone we are expecting this market to push it down. This is supply. So let's move to 15 minutes. Let's move to 1 hour time frame. Let's see the opportunity on 1 hour time frame. This is 1 hour time frame. This is what the market is doing on 1 hour time frame. This you can see this is the last break of structure on 1 hour time frame. So on 1 hour time frame, this is serve as what liquidity threat. Sorry for that. On 1 hour time frame, this is our break of structure on 1 hour time frame. But as for me, it is our liquidity threat. But I'm seeing a liquidity sweep on 1 hour time frame here also. This is a liquidity sweep on 1 hour time frame, and this is the FEG. So let's be expecting the sell FEG here because this is a market structure shift, and I'm expecting the sell here from this place to this zone. This is the way I'm expecting the sell. So let's see what the sell has for us. So this is the sell, and this is a liquidity. You can see a liquidity trend line. This is a liquidity trend line. So I'm expecting this is an opportunity for us. So I'm selling. So let's see what BTC has for us before we can sell. This is what the opportunity is giving us. We are selling on GJ. On UJ also the market is not clear for us, so the opportunity is not clear for me. This is on 1 hour time. This is a market activity. We are seeing a break of structure here, so definitely market is definitely to sell before we can buy. Let's move to EU. This is EU. This is a liquidity swept, but we are buying on EU. This is GU also. GU also. This serve as what FEG. So I'm buying from this. This is a liquidity. So I'm expecting the market to come down before I can buy the market. This is US 30. This is US 30. I'm still expecting sell on US 30. Let's see if the sell is going to happen to this FEG. Let's see what is happening on gold. This is gold also. I'm still expecting the sell on gold before I can buy, but I'm buying. The major buy is buy our let's see if the sell is going to happen. Let's see what is happening on silver. This is what is happening on silver. The sell is going to act. Let's see the buy. The buy is from me. The buy is coming from here. So if you are buying, you are buying from this FEG to this zone again. So let's now move to crypto. Let's see what crypto has for us. Let's see the BTC and Ethereum. Let's see what they ask for us before we can round it up for today. So this for monthly time frame as usual. This is our key level or monthly time frame. This is our key level. This is our key level. Our key level here. Our key level here. All this you can see this is the key level that pushes the market up. So there's key level here. Definitely the market will touch this key level before I can say we are selling again. Let's move to weekly time frame. Weekly time frame. This is our key level here. This is our key level here also. These are key level here also. These are key level here also. You can see these are key level here also. These are key level here also. So this is what I'm seeing on weekly time frame. Seriously, this is what I'm seeing on weekly time frame. So let's move to daily time frame. Let's see what daily time frame is giving us. This is the vibe of daily time frame. This is a liquidity swept. This is a liquidity swept on daily time frame. This is a liquidity swept on daily time frame. You can see this is a liquidity swept on daily time frame. This is a liquidity swept on daily time frame, and this is serve as our swing low, and this is serve as our swing high. So sorry, this is what I'm seeing on the market. Market is giving us the power of trend, but we are selling from it. This is where I'm selling the market here. I'm selling the market from this one. Let's move to 4 hour time frame. Since we have plotted our swing and our swing low, this is what we are having on 4 hour time frame. You can see on 4 hour time frame, we have a break of structure here. And I'm having what? I'm having supply here. But this supply there is what the server side is liquidity. So this is what the market is giving us. This is the last break of structure on 4 hour time frame BTC. We are buying before we can sell the market. This is where we are buying the market. This is break of structure, and these are demand zone here. This is the vibes the market is giving us. So let us be patient. Let's see if the market is going to retrace before we can. We are buying the market to this zone. Let's move to 1 hour time frame. Let's see what 1 hour time frame is giving us. This is 1 hour time frame. Let's say define the opportunity. And on 1 hour time frame, this is a liquidity here. So let's be expecting the market to sell this liquidity before we can see an uptrend. So this is what I'm having on 1 hour time frame. Let's move to 15-minute time frame. This is 15-minute time frame. 15-minute time is good. So you can see what 15-minute time frame is giving us. But this is what 15-minute time frame is going to create liquidity. And let's be expecting the market to come down. So we are expecting the market to come down to come and buy them. We are buying the market from here. This is where we are buying the market. So let's just be patient on BTC. So let's move to Ethereum. Let's see what Ethereum has for us also. This is Ethereum also. For monthly time frame, this is our key level here. This is our key level here. You can see this is our fourth touch. You can see second touch. This is our key level here. This is our key level here also. This is our key level here also. And this is the last key level. So I'm expecting the market to come to this key level. We can say this is our key level here also because markets reacted to that key level. monthly key level. You can see market reacted to this key level. So let's move to weekly time frame. This our weekly time frame, this is our key level here, our key level also here, and our key level also here. You can see what the market just do. So let's just be patient and focus. So this is where the market is. Let's move to daily time frame. Daily time frame, this is break of structure, and we are having what? We are having our swing low here, and we are having our swing high here. So I'm expecting the market from this key level also to come down. So let's move to 4 hour time frame. Let's see what 4 hour time frame is giving us. This is the vibes of 4 hour time frame. This is the last break of structure. This is the last break of structure. So let's see this opportunity before we can, before we can. This is where I'm taking the opportunity because this is a IFG. So I'm taking the opportunity from this demand zone. Yeah. This is serve as order block because order block is found inside demand zone. And this is what we are buying. We are buying the market here. So let's move to 1 hour time frame. Let's see the opportunity on 1 hour time frame. On 1 hour time frame, this is our liquidity for me. So let's be expecting the market from this. So let's be expecting the market from this zone before we can buy the market. Before we can buy the market. Because this is the man zone. This is the one that gave us what? This break of structure. So let's be expecting the market from here. So this is what is happening on BTC and Ethereum, BTC and Ethereum. So this is what is happening on the market today. So let's be focused and let's be patient. This week we are going to be a profitable trader and successful trader. This week is going to be us. This month is going to favor me and you and I. We are going to be successful in this trading journey in any other skills we are doing. Peace and love. If you want more of this video, kindly don't forget to subscribe, share, like, comment, and don't forget to turn on the notification button so that you'll be the first person to learn from this video. Peace and love. Have a successful, have a profitable week ahead, and have a successful day ahead. Thanks. I really appreciate it.